50 languages.
13.
13.
13.
Actividades.
Activities.
Activities.
¿Qué hace Marta?
What does Martha do?
What does Martha do?
Ella trabaja en una oficina.
She works at an office.
She works at an office.
Ella trabaja con el ordenador.
She works on the computer.
She works on the computer.
¿Dónde está Marta?
Where is Martha?
Where is Martha?
En el cine.
At the cinema.
At the cinema.
Ella está viendo una película.
She is watching a film.
She is watching a film.
¿Qué hace Pedro?
What does Peter do?
What does Peter do?
Él estudia en la universidad.
He studies at the university.
He studies at the university.
Él estudia idiomas.
He studies languages.
He studies languages.
¿Dónde está Pedro?
Where is Peter?
Where is Peter?
En la cafetería.
At the cafe.
At the cafe.
Él está tomando café.
He is drinking coffee.
He is drinking coffee.
¿A dónde les gusta ir?
Where do they like to go?
Where do they like to go?
A un concierto.
To a concert.
To a concert.
A ellos les gusta escuchar música.
They like to listen to music.
They like to listen to music.
¿A dónde no les gusta ir?
Where do they not like to go?
Where do they not like to go?
A la discoteca.
To the disco.
To the disco.
A ellos no les gusta bailar.
They do not like to dance.
They do not like to dance.